In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Base44 website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take your project from the editor to a live shareable site. All you need is access to your Base44 account and an app that's ready to go. First, open your browser and head over to the Base44 web app. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual credentials and make sure you're in the correct workspace for the project you want to publish. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Give the page a second to fully load so all your projects and menus appear as expected. Next, look for the section labeled Apps. This is where Base44 organizes your projects. Clicking Apps takes you to a list of everything you've created or have access to in your current workspace. If you manage lots of projects, it can help to scan the list by name or glance at the thumbnails and last edited information to confirm you're opening the right one. If there's a filter applied, such as showing only workspace apps, keep it on if that's where your project lives. Now find and select the app you want to publish. It might be your landing page or main marketing site. Open it to enter the editor and preview area. Before you publish, take a moment to visually confirm that the content, branding, and layout look right in the preview. Publishing will make the current version publicly accessible, so this quick check helps avoid pushing out accidental changes. When you're ready, click the Publish App button. This is the action that sends your latest version live. Depending on your setup, you may see a confirmation prompt or a brief build process. Don't navigate away during this step. Let Base44 finish. You should then see a success message or indicator confirming that the site is live. If your app has a public URL, you can copy it and share it with your team or audience. If something doesn't publish as expected, double check that you have the right permissions in the workspace and make sure the app has saved changes before trying again. That's all there is to it. You go to the Base44 app, open apps, select the project you want and click Publish App to take your site live. Keep this flow in mind whenever you're preparing updates. Review the preview, publish with confidence and verify the live link. Thanks for watching and happy publishing.